Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how you can speed up your Windows 10 or Windows 11 performance. I show you guys how to do it. First up, you just need to press Ctrl Shift plus Escape key to open up Task Manager. Select the startup apps and you just need to disable unwanted apps like Spotify, Teams, etc. Just by right click on them and disable option. After that, just to close stuff here. Send step, you just need to press Windows key and R key together and type sysdm.cpl and press enter. Go to Advanced tab under Performance, select Settings. Select this Adjust for Best Performance option. And now check mark smooth edge of screen fonts and show thumbnails instead of icons and select apply and OK for searches and click on OK. Third step, you just need to go to search menu and type installed apps. Click on open it. Just need to uninstall the unused apps, guys. Just click on the three dot icon next to the app and select uninstall option. After getting done, just close tab here. For this step, you just need to press Windows key and R key together and type clean mgr and press enter. In the pop-up, you just need to select the C drive and check all the boxes listed over here and select OK and select delete files option. Fifth step, you just need to go to search menu and type storage settings. Click on open it. Make sure you turn on this storage sense and on the left side select Windows Update and select check for updates. If you have any pending update listed over here, then you just need to update it and make your operating system up to date. After getting done, just to close stuff here. And now you just need to update all your drivers, guys. To do this, open this driver booster software and the main page will give you a scan option. Just to click on it and this will check all required drivers for your system, guys. In my case, I already updated all. This is free software, so you can use it. Click on the update all option to update all the drivers, guys. After getting done, just to close stuff here. Seventh step, you just need to go to search menu and type choose a power plan. Click on open it. Set this to high performance under show additional plans and just to close stuff here. Eighth step, you just need to go to search menu and type services. Click on open it. In services, you just need to find SYS main service. Double click on it. Startup type stop it and startup type set this to disabled and select apply and OK for save changes. And now just to close stuff here. After following these steps, you will be able to speed up your Windows 10 or Windows 11 performance. Don't forget to leave a like, guys. Thank you.